omega is cube root of unity, they have mentioned, and given 1 by a plus omega plus 1 by b plus omega plus 1 by c plus omega equal to this. Similarly, this equals to 2 omega. They're interested in 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1 plus 1 by c plus 1. So, I write this equation as 2 by omega, right? We know that omega cube equals to 1. So, omega into omega square equals to 1. So, omega and omega squares are reciprocals. So, 2 omega square can be written as 2 by omega. That is, see, I am rewriting this 1 by a plus omega plus 1 by b plus omega plus 1 by c plus omega is 2 by omega. Fine. Next, 1 by a plus omega square plus 1 by b plus omega square plus 1 by c plus omega square is 2 by omega square. By seeing these equations, I am forming an equation 1 by a plus x plus 1 by b plus x plus 1 by c plus x equal to 2 by x, whose roots are omega and omega square. Whose roots are omega and omega square. Because omega and omega square are satisfying this particular equation, substitute omega in place of this. I will be getting 1 by a plus omega plus 1 by b plus omega plus 1 by c plus omega equal to 2 by omega. Substitute omega square, then I will be getting 1 by a plus omega square, 1 by b plus omega square, 1 by c plus omega square equal to 2 by omega square. So, this particular equation is having roots omega square. Okay. But they are interested in 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1 plus 1 by c plus 1. Okay. What I will do is, one can't directly substitute 1 na. I cannot substitute 1 in place of x because we did not know that x equals to 1 is root of this particular equation. If I will prove that 1 is also root of this equation, then I can easily substitute x in place of, I can substitute x by 1. Okay. So I will solve this. In numerator we'll be getting, see, these two gets multiplied, these two gets multiplied, and these two gets multiplied. So if you multiply these two, we'll be getting a plus b into x. That is, I will get 3x square, right? See, multiply these two terms, we'll be getting x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Similarly, x square, one more x square, so 3x square plus a plus b into x, b plus c into x, a plus c into x. 2 of a plus b plus c into x plus a into b, b into c, a into c plus ab plus bc plus ac. This is LHS, numerator of LHS in fact, right? Which is 2 by x multiplied by, if you multiply these three, we will be getting 2 by x into this into this into this, which is x cube plus a plus b plus c into x, a plus b plus into x square plus ab plus bc plus ac into x plus a into b into c, right? I multiply x to this side. This is LHS, this is RHS. We'll be getting, I will write on next slide. This expression multiplied by x will be 3x cube plus 2 times a plus b plus c into x square plus c. 3x square into x is 3x cube. 2a plus b plus c into x is 2a plus b plus into x square. ab plus bc plus ca into x. ab plus bc plus ca into x is equals to, RHS is 2 times this expression. We will be getting 2x cube plus 2 times a plus b plus c into x square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ac into x plus 2 times abc. see these two terms gets cancelled, right? We'll be getting 3x cube minus 2x cube, that is x cube, 3x square plus 2 into a plus b plus c plus c plus a, 2 into a plus b plus c into x plus ab plus bc plus ca equals to 2 by x into this, right? X cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ac into x plus abc. I am multiplying 2 to every term and x here. Right hand side is 2, 2, 2, okay. LHS is 3x cube plus this, okay. See, we'll be getting minus of a plus b plus c into x minus 2ab is equal to 0. See, we already know omega comma omega square are roots. Let k be the other root. Let k be the other root. What I will do? I calculate sum of the roots. Omega plus omega square plus k is coefficient of x square, which is 0, by coefficient of x cube, which is 1. So we already know, as omega and omega square cube roots of unity, omega plus omega square is minus 1. Minus 1 plus k equal to 1. So value of k is 1. So I clearly proved the other root k is 1. So this particular equation should have 3 roots. 2 roots are omega and omega square. Now we proved that 1 is the other root. So I can substitute 1 in this equation. 1 will satisfy. I will write here. Therefore 1 is the other root of 1 by a plus x, 1 by b plus x plus 1 by c plus x equal to 2 by x. So 1 will satisfy this equation. So 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1 plus 1 by c plus 1 equals to 2. So 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1 plus 1 by c plus 1 equals to 2.